It's science time now. It's science time now. Everybody get your books and settle down. It is learning time, no time to play around. Science class has officially begun. Okay, students, today we're going to learn to formulate a definition of environment, identify features of different environments, and justify the importance of conserving the natural environment. So get ready, boys and girls, we're ready. Take your dictionaries out because we're going to play a game called Dictionaries in Hand. You're going to hold your dictionaries in your hand and going to say a word and then say search. You will look in your dictionaries for the meaning of this word, and then we're going to be looking at a pool of meanings and see which one matches the word that you found. Ready? Now the first word that you're going to be looking for is the word environment. Search. Okay, now let's look at the meanings that we have and see which one would match the word environment. Okay, good job. Now we're looking for the next word, conservation. Search. Okay, prevention of wasteful use of a resource. Excellent job. Let's move to the next word, urbanization. Search. Okay, now let's look at the meanings. Excellent job. The process of making an area more urban, becoming like a city. Good job. Now to our final word, predator. Search. And the meaning, an animal that hunts and eats other animals. Good job. Now we're going to be discussing the different types of environment, and we're also going to be looking at pictures that will match these environments and also features of these environments. The environment is all the physical surroundings on the earth, including all living and non-living things which affect life on earth. The major types of environments are forests, grasslands, deserts, tundra, wetlands, freshwater, and marine. These differ in vegetation, animal life, soil, terrain, and climate. Now we're going to look at some pictures that are associated with these types of environments and features of the different environments. Now to the first environment that we spoke about. So this environment is sandy, very hot, has very little rainfall. And can you tell me some animals that we might see in this type of environment? Okay, snakes, camel, okay. What about plants? Excellent, cactus, great job. Now let's look at this environment. Can you tell me the name of this environment? Excellent job, it's a forest, great. Excellent job. You have high annual rainfall, lots of trees, deer. Which other animal could we find here? Right, you could find parrots in the trees. Excellent job. Now let's look at this environment. What name would be given to this one? Wonderful, grassland. So this environment is dominated by grass. It has insufficient rainfall and soil to support growth of trees. We can find lions and giraffe here. Now let's look at another type of environment. Can you guess the name? Okay, marine. What do we know about the marine environment? The water is salty. Okay. What about the animals? Okay, you have turtles. Do you have fish? Great job. Okay. Now let's look at another one. What name is given to this type of environment? Excellent. Fresh water. Say it has low salt. Okay. The water is shallow. What about animals for this type of environment? Great, you'll also have fish in this type of environment. What about tundra? Do you know anything about the tundra environment? Okay, by looking at the picture, what could you say about this environment? Okay, extremely cold. Little rainfall. Okay, what about the animals here? Wonderful job, polar bear. Excellent. Now to our final environment. Look at this picture. Wetland. Excellent job. So the soil here is soggy. It has water-loving plants. You have birds here and you also have mangroves. So these are the major types of environments that we will be looking at for today's lesson. We're now going to talk about the importance of conserving our natural environment. What do we mean by conserving our environment? Think about it. When we conserve our environment, we preserve the natural resources so they will be around in the future. We're going to look at this picture and identify some of the natural resources and their benefits. Okay, we can see the river. What's the benefit of the river, or how do we use the river? Okay, we get water for domestic use. What else? We also get food. Excellent job. All right, we see the trees. Okay, oxygen. What else? Wonderful. Shelter. Now let's look again. All right, we're seeing the land. What do we use the land for? Right, it's a space that we use for building houses and other infrastructure. Excellent. Mineral. What do we use the mineral for? We use the minerals to get building materials for construction. Excellent job. Okay, so because of all these benefits, we need to conserve and preserve our natural resources. We're now going to create some rules for humans to follow in order to preserve this natural environment. Remember, we're focusing on the picture. All right? Okay, put your litter in bins. Excellent. Replant trees if you cut down any. Wonderful. Excellent. Don't wash your clothes or cars in the water. Excess fishing or hunting is not allowed. Give me one more. Excellent job. No mining allowed. And all these rules will help humans to preserve this natural environment. Excellent job, students. Now this is what I want you to do. You're going to use the rules to create a poster on how to care for the natural environment. Excellent job. Now, boys and girls, that's the end of our lesson for today. Remember, it is important to preserve and conserve our natural environment because it is beneficial to all of us. Take care. See you next time. Bye.